Well, we have a swarm here at the house in the tree above where he has other bees at.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get the loppers. Now get the bees.
Oh my God. You're going to want me to come over there?
Yeah. Need you to lop them right up here.
George, honey, what if these others see me?
They will. There's none in them boxes.
Well, they're fine. Oh God. Okay, I'm ready to cut.
Wait. Just easy. Don't jab at it. Just nice and easy.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Go up there and get your other box. I'll use it as a funnel. Well, we got us a nice big swarm here this evening. I think this is out of my home hive here. I've been waiting on them to swarm. And now we've got them. I'm just going to shake them right in this deep. A little bit of drawn comb in it. Some foundation. Just a nice, easy swarm. Easy catch.
Okay, let's see him go in.
Go get your camera and come right up here. Come on up here and let them see how I'm using this top empty as a funnel.
See, as a funnel.
Now we're just going to shake these right in here nice and easy like. Might just let them settle in here. There's so many of them. I believe they will.
Now you could jar it a little. There's all kinds.
Right here, let's see if they'll go down in there.
Here, you hold it and look.
Right.
I get too excited.
Well, I do too.
I want to watch and see. And oh Lord.
Oh, you hear the fanning picking up?
Yeah.
They found them a new home. They're starting to fan already. They're checking out this.
Happy.
Yeah, they're checking out this comb.
These don't know where to go. They're still confused.
Those are scout bees, and some that are still swarming around. They'll smell these and come right over here in a few minutes. These have started fanning. You can see them down in there.
There must be coming off because the branch is falling in.
It's heavy. That's probably about 4 pounds of bees right there.
That was a big one.
Maybe even 4.5 pounds. Pretty good sized swarm. I thought this hive had already swarmed.
I'm gonna go get her stuff.
Well, if you can hear it, but the buzzing's really picking up. They're starting to fan really hard now. My nose is running. You can smell that lemon, that Nasanov, that lemony smell. So this will be a good swarm right here. They ought to make a good hive. This is out of the survivor stock that I've had for 7 or 8 years. They had swarmed on 4/11/11. It made this hive behind me that they came out of. You can see right there. 4/11/11, and today is 4/12/12. So almost a year to the date they swarmed again. I need to go in this and probably pull out a couple of queen cells. I've got a swarm over there. I'm not sure that there's a queen in, or if she is, she's not mated. I haven't seen any eggs yet. I was trying to give them a few more days. But I believe we got us a good swarm here. This is in the old gum tree. I've caught many swarms out of this old gum tree. And as you can see back here at the front of this hive, it's just business as usual. And these have only probably swarmed in the last 30 minutes or so. And here's where they came from. These bees are still very confused. I don't know if you can see them flying around. They just love to cluster in these leaves.
I love that. Think they'll be happy?
Oh yeah. This was a swarm from a survivor stock swarm that I had bought at an auction. I'd bought a bunch of equipment boxes. It just so happens there was a swarm inside of one of the boxes. I'd had it sitting up probably 6, 7, 8 years, and caught a swarm off of them on 4/11/11. And I was hoping this hive would swarm and I would catch it, and I thought it had already swarmed, but they hadn't. And I just happened to be walking down the driveway and smelled them and looked around, and about a 4.5 pound swarm, maybe a little better, hanging in a tree here. So I'm guessing it's from them. I'm really not sure, but I'm guessing it is. So I've caught them. I need to go in here and check for queen cells. I've got a couple of hives over here I think might be queenless already from one of the swarms I had caught earlier. So we'll come back and check these in just a little bit. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.